So composite number is a number other than prime number. So the fundamental theorem of arithmetic says the prime factorization of composite number is unique if we ignore the order. If we ignore the order. This is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. We know the composite number. What are composite numbers? Okay, we know what are composite numbers. We know the prime numbers also. And now factorization. Factorization of a number. And Azaan, I have told you that what is a factor? A factor is a number which divides the number completely. Factor of a number is a number which divides the number completely. Like 5 is a factor of 10, 2 is a factor of 10, 10 is a factor of 10, 1 is a factor of 10. Factorization means converting a number into its factors. For example, how we do the factorization, like this is a number 54 and I want to convert this number into its prime factors. So I will divide this number by 2. I got 27 and after that
3 9s.
very good, 3 3s are 9 and after that 3 1s are 3. So I can write 54 into its prime factors like 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. These are the factors, but these are the prime factors. Okay, so I can write this as 2 into 3 to the power 3. Okay, so this is a way of prime factorization. So these are prime factors. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Now write the heading HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor. The definition, I am writing one other definition of HCF. HCF is the product of least power of common factor. This statement will be understood when we solve a problem. Okay. And there is one more term, LCM, lowest common multiple. This is the product of greatest power of common factor and other non-common factor. Other non-common factors. So Azaan, this is the definition, but in mathematics, definitions are not sufficient. We have to solve the problem.
Okay, sir.
And everything will get into understanding by solving the problem. So, like here is a question. Find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20 by prime factorization method. By prime factorization method. So prime factorization method is simply we will do the factorization of the given numbers. First we will take 6 like this. Okay. And after that 20. So for 6 I can write 2 into 3. For 20 I can write 2 to the power 2 into 5. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Now I have to find the LCM. So LCM is the highest power of common factor and other factor. The product of highest power of common factors. See here. What is the highest power?
2.
Means we will take 2 to the power 2.
Yes, sir.
See the definition. LCM is product of greatest power of common factor and other non-common factor. 2 to the power 2 and other non-common factor means 3 into 5. This will become 60. So LCM is 60. Now HCF. So HCF is simply the common factor. You can also solve this by definition. Product of least power of common factor. What is least power here? 2 to the power 1. This is only common, least
Yeah.
power. So 2 is the HCF. So second question is, in this question also we have to find the LCM and HCF. This is second question. And question is, we have to find the LCM and HCF of 4096 and 404. Find LCM and HCF of given numbers. So first we will factorize 96 into its prime factors. So this will be 2 into 48. This will be 2 into 24. This will be 2 into 12. This will be 2 into 6. This will be 2 and 3, and this is 3 and 1. And 404, I will divide it by 2. This will become 202 and this will become 101. Now Azaan, please tell me, how can I divide 101 completely with no remainder?
Sir, with 3. No.
No, we cannot do the 3 because remember one thing, for the divisibility of 3, like 12 can be divided by 3. So what should you do? You should sum the number 2 plus 1. If you want to check the given number will be divided by 3 or not, what should you do? You should add the number, and this will become 3 and then divided by 3. Like I am saying a number 96. I want to check whether this number will be divided by 3 or not. So what I do? I will add the number. 9 plus 6, 15, and I can divide 15 with 3, means this number can be divided by 3. Similarly, if I want to check 966, this number I want to check, what will I do? Add the numbers. This will be 21 and divide this 21 by 3, means completely divided. So means this number can be divided by 3. So here is 101 and add the number 1 plus 0 plus 1 means 2. 2 cannot be divided by 3. So there is no other number other than 1 or 101 which can divide the 101 completely. So here we will take 101. Okay. For 96, I can write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power 5 into 3. Azaan, can I write this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, into 3. And for this 404,
2 square. 2 to the
2
power
square,
100.
2 square into 101.
Yes, sir.
So HCF. Tell me what is HCF? HCF will be, what is common here?
2.
See, what is common here? Like I am writing like this. Let's see. I can write here. We have to find the common in these numbers. So like I am writing 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the power 5 into 3. Okay, and I am writing 2 into 2 into 101.
Sir, 2 into 2.
So what is common here? Only this term is common. You can write the number like this also. Give me a minute. What happened? So Azaan, so you can see here that the common is this 2 and this 2, means 4. 4 is LCM. So this is also a way. If you, so from here, what is common? 2 to the power 2 in this term. 2 to the power 2 is common. So lowest power. If you want to solve by definition, then product of least power of common factor. And I will advise you, don't go on the definitions and all that. Okay, do directly. What is common here? 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 means 4. SCF is 4 simply. And for LCM, take high. What is highest power in the common factor? 2 to the power 5
Yes, sir.
and other factors. Do the thing directly. And the answer is, look, this will be 96
Okay.
and this is 101. So what you should do now here? What you should do? Please look here.
Yes.
96 and I can write 101 as 100 plus 1.
Yes, sir.
And now you should multiply this. 96 into 100 means 9600 plus 96. And when you add this, you will get 96 and 96. This will help you in the in calculation in the examination. Suppose if you are doing like, here is a number 95 and here is 101. So maybe it will take time in multiplication. So what should you do? You should multiply. You should write this number like 1. Okay. So multiply this with this number. This will be 95 and this 20 plus 95, and you will get the answer easily in within second. 95 plus 95 is 1. So Azaan, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Now don't go on these definitions. Go on this definition, but these definitions should be in your flashback. Means you have to solve the question in the examination. Okay. Practice the question. Not every time we will see the definition. What is SCF and all that. You should solve the question directly. Try to solve the question directly. So there is another question. Three numbers are given. 120. We have to find HCF and LCM. We have to find. So take this. Uh, Sorry, this is not 7. This is 72.
Okay, sir.
672 and 120. Write 72 as okay. For 120, for 6, I can write 2 into 3. For 72, I can write 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. Azaan, can I write 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. For 120, I can write 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 5. 5. Like from here, this is 2 to the power 3. This is 3 to the power 2. This is 2 to the power 3. Okay. So if I want to find the LCM, sorry, HCF, first HCF. First, always find HCF because it is easier to find the HCF of numbers than LCM. Because in LCM, we have to multiply the number and it will take time. So find the HCF. So Azaan, now you will tell me what is the HCF.
Sir, it will be 6.
Okay. Lowest power means here 2 is only common. Here is lowest power of. We will take number and after that we will take number 3 and after that write the lowest power. We will take the common factor. Common factor is 3 and after that we will take the lowest power is 1. 2 to the power 1 on and this is you can write 3. This will be 6. And H for LCM,
Sir, it will be 2 cube into 3 square into 5.
it will be
2 cube into 3 square into 5.
very good. This will be
Sir, 1
8 into
360. Sir.
9 into 5. This will be 360, na?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is the way to find the LCM or HCM. Do you want to note it down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please note from here. I am telling again and again in mathematics, practice is very, very important. Practice. More and more practice of questions. More and more practice of questions. In physics, there is at least you can say 30% theory, but in mathematics, 100% questions, 100% you can say numerical or problems you have to solve in mathematics.
Okay, sir.
Nobody will ask you what is factorization, what is fundamental theorem of arithmetic, what is SCF. They will ask you instead, find the value of HCF, factorize the number.
Okay, sir.
There are very less chances that they will ask these kinds of questions. What is factorization and what is this? Should I scroll down?
Yes, sir.
Scroll down.
No, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. Take your time. Scroll down.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
So there is one note, or you can say that it is an important point. For any, for any two positive integers, integers A and B. Okay. So we can write A into B, the product of two numbers, HCF of AB multiplied by LCM of A comma. So we can also find the HCF LCM with this formula.
Okay.
So here what we will do, I am taking this question again. Okay. Suppose this is the same question. This is the same question and SCF, we have find the SCF now.
Yes, sir.
SCF was, so we cannot take this number actually. I am changing the question. Actually, this will be out of your syllabus if I will do this. Okay, now start. 6 and 72. We have to find SCF and LCF. So we will use that formula.
Okay.
First, we will. If you want to use the formula, then first you should find the HCF, because SCF, finding HCF is easy. 2 3 is 6. 472.
Okay.
The SCF will again same 2. 6 equal to 2 into 3. I can write 72 equal to 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power. SCF will be 6. So here HCF of 6 and 72 will be, here lowest common power of 2 which is 2 to the power 1, and here 3 to the power 1 is 3. So we have HCF now. And if I want to find the LCM now without using this, what I will do, I will multiply the two numbers. I will use
Okay.
this formula, LCM into SCF. This is LCM of two numbers, this is SCF of two. What are two numbers? 6 into 72.
Yes, sir.
And I want to find the LCM, and I have SCF 6. So LCM will be 6 into 72 divided by 6 will be, so LCM will be 72. So in this way also we can find the LCM. Or from here you can see, from here also you can see. If I want to find the SCF with that method, the answer will be same. Like here, the highest power is 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 2. It will become 72 now.
Yes,
So
sir.
means the answer will be same. But I recommend you to use this formula. This.
Okay, sir.
Noted?
Yes, sir.
Noted till here ना?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ तक ओके ठीक है. एक क्वेश्चन और करते हैं इसी पे. 15 and 45. Find HCF and LCF. And please tell me the answer.
Okay, sir. Sir, HCF is 15.
HCF 15.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And LCM?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Sir, LCM will be 45.
Okay, let's check. So we have a formula A into B equal to LCM into HCF.
Yes, sir.
A into B means 15 into 45. We have to find the LCM and SCF is 15.
Yes.
So from here LCM will be divided by 50. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good.
Hmm.
What will be the SCF of these two numbers?
Only HCF or LCM?
Only SCF.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, it will be
Hmm.
yes. Sir, it will be 899.
SCF.
Yes, sir. No, sir, 31.
HCF is 31.
Sir,
Azaan,
okay.
what are you doing? Let's
Sir,
see here.
sir, HCF, right?
HCF, highest common factor.
Okay, sir. Okay, I was finding LCM. Sir, sir, HCF will be 1, sir.
Very good. Actually, these are the prime numbers. So I want to tell you a thing, that write the heading co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Written?
Yes.
They have any common factor? 29 and 31? Other than 1?
Yeah, no, sir.
No, na? So I am writing the definition. And this definition will be used in the next class of maths. And I will ask you also. Co-prime numbers are the numbers are the numbers do not have any common factor other than 1. Or you can say SCF of these numbers is 1. Or you can say HCF of these numbers is 1. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपके सामने ये एग्जाम्पल है, एक एग्जाम्पल और देता हूं मैं. दिस इज 29 and 31 co-prime, and if I am saying 13 and 17, 23 and 29, 31 and 37, these kinds of numbers are called co-prime numbers.
Okay, sir.
So Azaan, that's all for today, and please try to revise your notes, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And thank you for joining.
Okay, sir.